I'm about to show you one of the most famous riffs of rock and roll history, Highway to Hell by AC/DC. We're talking about the rhythm of the song, of course, the chords and how you play it. And I think this riff is so big and so huge and so famous because of its very tight, cool rhythm, which is kind of hard to play if you don't have a beat with you. And it's important to have a good sound. So we're talking about all this stuff that's really important for this cool piece of music. So we start out with an A power chord, which we play 3 times. But I like to play that power chord with a small bar here. I place my index finger in the 2nd fret of the D and G string, and then I play pretty hard the A, D and G string. And find a nice spot. Don't play too far to the bridge, not too far to the neck, but hit it really percussive and hard. So now, where do we start? If we count that in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's important to learn, that you don't start on the 1 or something, but you start on the 3 end. And this is important really to nail that. This is something AC/DC totally lives from, that it's totally tight and groovy, and that means you have to be as precise as possible, and it helps to play together with a drum beat or whatever, or with a metronome if you don't have a drum beat, but there are a lot of apps for your smartphone out there to have some cool drum sounds playing along with you. So we play that power chord 3 times, then we go to a D chord with a F sharp and bass, which we play twice. Index finger 1st fret E string, middle finger 2nd fret G string, and ring finger 3rd fret B string. And the index finger needs to mute the A string right behind it. So we have this. After you played it twice, you need to go to the G chord, which needs the ring finger still in the 3rd fret of the B string and the middle finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. And the middle finger is also muting the A string. So it's a pretty fast movement there. Maybe you train that with a dry exercise to really fast here. The middle finger needs to go from there to there extremely fast. So, from the top. 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 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 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3. So, if you played that, there's a lot of repetition of the D with F sharp and bass and G chord. So, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1. From the top. A, D, D, G, again D, D, G, D, D, G, D, A, 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 D, D, G, D, D, G, D, D, G, D, A, A, and 3. So really stick to a slow tempo for the beginning to get it really tight. Try to count with it. This can also help a lot. So you just stay in tempo. Put on a metronome or a drum beat or whatever. This is so important for AC/DC. Please do me the favor and try to really nail the rhythm there. Sound-wise, I mean, obviously Angus Young played this riff with a Gibson SG guitar with a humbucker pickup. I mean, I got a humbucker here too. I'm already getting some gainish sounds from my amplifier. But please do me the favor and don't turn up too much gain there. So thanks for watching and learning with me AC/DC Highway to Hell. If you have any more questions, any more things you want to learn in terms of guitar playing, check my free lessons in the video description. A lot of cool stuff going on there. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. I'm Hannes. Bye bye.